Your right foot's forward. We'll use the same footwork. It's just that we're going to start here in underhand instead of overhand, right? So we'll start small, left hand. Yes, I'm starting with your weaker hand. You know, that'll give you the false sense of dismay thing. Okay, so then we're going to go from small to big. And then at the top of the turn, we're going to turn to overhand. And then we're going to go small. And then stall back. And then stall front. And then go big again. And then at the top of the turn, we're going to swivel back to underhand. And then go small. And then stall forward. And then stall back. And go big again. And we're going to swivel. And go small. And stall back. Focus on control. Stall forward. Go big again. And then at the top of the turn, you're going to swivel. And now go small. And stall. And stall backwards. And come back into underhand big. And at the top of the turn, swivel back to overhand. Go small. Stall back. Stall front. Go back to big. And swivel back to underhand. And go to small. And stall. And stall. Well, okay, let's start with the right hand underhand. Small. Good. And now we'll go big. And now at the bottom of the turn, we're going to swivel to overhand. And then go small. And stall back behind. And stall in front. And go big. And at the bottom of the turn, you're going to swivel back to underhand. The turn is the same, but it's going to feel awkward just because the poi are doing the opposite thing that they used to do. So it's normal for it to feel awkward because it's new. So it makes sense, even if it doesn't make sense that it doesn't make sense. Start with the right poi and just going small in overhand. Now we're going to make it big. And then when the right poi is at the bottom of the turn, swivel to the right, and you want to come out underhand. So come underhand there. And now at the bottom of the turn, swivel to overhand. And at the bottom of the turn, swivel to underhand. Okay, here, let's do it in slow-mo. So grab your ball. You're going around in this circle, right? You're going overhand in this big circle. When it gets to the bottom, you start swiveling, and then the poi comes to here and up over the top, and then come around and bowl. And then you're bowling. Now it's at the bottom. Now you come up over the top and baseball. And now at the bottom, you come up over the top and bowl. And now you come up over the top and baseball. So baseball on your left. Okay, and now release the poi. Let's spin it. Okay, so you're doing your baseball. At the bottom of the turn, you're going to swivel to bowling. Come up over the top and bowl. And now you're going to swivel to baseball. And swivel back to bowling. Swivel back to baseball. Now make it small. And now we're going to stall back. Stall front. We're going to go back big. And swivel to bowling. Then make it small. And stall. And stall back. And make it big. And now we're going to swivel to baseball. And make it small. And stall. and stall, and baseball, big, and big, 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 and swivel to bowling. We're underhand here with the left hand. Right foot is forward. Underhand, yes. Now go big. And then we're going to swivel to baseball. And go small. And we're going to stall back. Then stall front. Then go big. And then we're going to swivel to bowling. And then go small. And stall. And stall back. And go big. And swivel to baseball. And go small. And stall back. Stall forward. And go big. Swivel to bowling. Go small. Stall forward. Stall back. Go big again. Swivel to baseball. And go small. Stall back. And stall front. Go big. And we're going to swivel again to bowling, coming out underhand. And go small. And stall forward. And stall back. And let's switch hands. So here, let's just do the arm. So you're here. You're over, over, over. You come to 6 o'clock. Swivel, swivel, swivel. Up, up, up. Back, behind, back, behind, back, behind. And bowl, bowl, bowl. Now from bowling, come up, over into baseball. That one's the easier one, I think. Then at the bottom of the turn, you're going to bring it up over the top and come down and bowl. Up over the top and bowl. And then come back to the front in baseball. And now at the bottom of the turn, you're going to bring it up over the top as you turn and come down in baseball. Your underhand with your right. Your right foot is still forward. You're going to go big. And at the bottom of the turn, swivel to baseball. Go small. Stall back. Stall front. We're going to go big. And then you're going to, at the bottom of the turn, swivel, come up over the top and bowl. And then we're going to go small. And stall. Stall back. Go big. And swivel to baseball. Now go small. Stall back. Stall front. Okay, here we go. We're going to go big again. And at the bottom of the turn, you're going to swivel, turn, go over the top and come underhand to bowl. Go small. Stall forward. Stall backward. Go big. At the bottom of the turn, you're going to swivel to baseball. Go small. Stall back. Stall front. Go big. At the bottom of the turn, swivel to the right, come up over the top and go bowling. Go small. Stall forward. Stall backward. Go big. We're going to swivel to the left, go over the top into baseball. And make it small. Stall back. Stall front. One more time into baseball. At the bottom of the turn, turn right, come over the top and swing into bowling. Go small. Stall forward. Stall backward.